Hello, my name is Ahmad, and I am a professional graphic designer. On this channel, I'll teach you the secrets and techniques of becoming a professional graphic designer. Through a series of Illustrator and Photoshop tutorials, I aim to guide you effortlessly. Each video on my channel is short and easy to follow, so come in the world of design. If you're curious about my work, take a moment to explore my work on the channel. I've designed these tutorials with simplicity in mind, making them an ideal resource for anyone looking to enhance their graphic design skills. If you find that my content aligns with what you're seeking in your journey to becoming a pro graphic designer, consider subscribing. I firmly believe that the knowledge I share can transform your learning experience and techniques that are not only effective but also delivered in a less time. Join the community of learners on my channel and be creative.